Tell her na.
Yes, can you hear me, Chris? Okay.
Yes.
Did you solve problem set of triangles?
Yes, sure.
How many sums?
So you had told me to do 4 sums, but I couldn't do the 4 sums because I was having trouble with it.
Got what?
I couldn't do the 4th sum because I was having confusion with it.
Confusion. Okay. Okay. What is going on in the school?
Today we are doing polynomials.
Polynomials. Okay. And geometry?
Geometry. We have a class on Friday.
Okay. Last week was a holiday, I think. No? Yeah. Last week you didn't have any geometry class in school?
No, sir.
And before vacation, before the holiday, what was going on? Triangles only.
Yeah, triangle. We were still on 3.3.
3.3. Okay, in school. Fine. Okay, what confusion was there in the 4th sum? You tell me. 4th sum, this one. Show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE. Okay, so in this one, this triangle, you have to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE. Okay, ABD means this one and ACE means this triangle. Okay. First note in triangle ADE, what is given in this triangle? Firstly, okay, you can see there are two sides that is equal. AD equal to AE. This middle triangle, we are talking about the middle one, which is in dotted.
Yes, sir. And BD and AC.
Okay, first we are just talking about the middle triangle. Angle ADE. So this is given. So you know this becomes an isosceles triangle. ADE becomes an isosceles triangle. And you know in an isosceles triangle, sides which are opposite to the congruent angles which are opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. So angle ADE will be equal to angle AED. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I'll write here angles opposite to equal sides are equal. If angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, if you look at the figure here, if you see this angle E and this angle E this side, means AED and AEC, they form, what do they form?
Linear pair.
Yeah, linear pair. Okay, linear pair. So now, angle AED plus angle AEC will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, angles in linear pair. Similarly, angle ADB and angle ADE also form linear pair. So I'll write here linear pair. Is this clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget what we have to prove, what we have to show. We have to show that ABD and ACE are congruent to each other. So I'll just number this equation 1. And number this is equation 2. Subtract 2 from 1. We subtract equation 2 from 1. So when you're doing subtraction, subtract right hand side with right hand side, left hand side with left hand side. So AED plus angle AEC minus angle ADB plus angle, wait, sorry, I did a mistake. Subtract 1 from 2. I think if I would have done 2 from 1, I would have got the same answer. We understand this. I subtracted this 1 from 2. So ADB plus ADE minus AED plus AEC, and right hand side will be 180 minus 180, which is 0. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Open up the bracket. So angle ADB plus angle ADE minus angle AED plus into minus angle AEC. AEC is equal to 0. Now, what is AED equal to?
Sorry, sir, repeat again.
ADB, this angle ADE, I'll write it as it is, minus. From this part here, we know AED is equal to ADE. So here, instead of AED, I'll write ADE. And this minus angle AEC as it is. Do you understand this, what I did here? AED and ADE both are equal to each other. So here, instead of AED, I just replaced it with ADE because both are equal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Plus ADE minus ADE cancel. You are left with now angle ADB minus angle AEC is equal to 0. Take this minus AEC on the other side. You have angle ADB is equal to angle AEC. If you look in the diagram, ADB is this one and AEC is this one. Okay. So this I'll just number it as equation number 3. Now you look in triangle ADB, that's the side one, and AEC. In these two triangles, first we can see AB congruent to AE. This is given. Angle ADB congruent to angle AEC. This we proved. So I'll write here from 3. And then BD congruent to EC. This is also given. This we showed side, this we showed angle, and this again we showed side. So now I can say the two triangles, triangle ADB will be congruent to triangle AEC. By which test?
SAS.
SAS, test of congruency. Go through this entire sum. See if any step you have not understood. If you have not understood, ask me. If you have followed, write it down. Okay, first go through it. Can you see the entire sum? Or do you want me to zoom?
I can see, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, which sum to do next? Fifth one, will you try the fifth one?
Okay, sir.
Sixth one. Sixth one is also easy. Sixth one, you have to prove is BD is greater than, sorry, AB is greater than BD. That is what you have to prove. Okay. And the seventh one, segment PT is a bisector of that. Wait, huh?
Sir, I'll do the fifth sum. Now, so
Wait for homework. We'll do seventh one. Seventh one. In this segment, in this figure 3.62, PT is given as a bisector of QPR. Okay, and a line through R intersects ray QP at point S. Okay, so that means QP is at QP, the line is extended. Okay, the line is extended at QP, and a line through R, it intersects the ray QP at this point S. That means it intersects externally. You have to prove PS and PR. That is this PS and that is this PR. You have to prove that these two are equal to each other. Okay. What has to be done? Is that clear?
We have to find that PS equals PR.
You don't have to find, you have to prove that they are equal. Okay.
Yes.
So according to the figure, firstly, we know PT is parallel to SR. Okay, this is as per figure. Okay, as per the figure. Now, if PT and SR are parallel to each other, then what becomes a transversal? Can you tell me? You know, remember, right? What is a transversal? A transversal is a line.
Yes, sir, yes.
So which is a transversal then in this case?
PR.
PR. Okay, so P. No, actually it's not PR. If I rotate this, if I rotate this like this, transversal is a line that intersects the parallel line in two distant points. Okay, PR is a transversal is correct, but there is one more transversal. There are two transversals here. Can you tell me which is the other transversal?
Yes, sir. It's PR.
PS, yes. So we'll take cases first where we consider PR to be the transversal, second where we consider PS to be the transversal. So first I'll take PS is a transversal. Since PS is a transversal, this angle here and this angle here will be equal to each other. That is, oh, I'm sorry, QPT. This angle here and this one, that is angle QPT and angle PSR. They are corresponding angles. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And they will be equal to each other. So corresponding angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. This I'll name it as equation 1. Also, PR is the transversal. Okay, also PR is a transversal. Now, since PR is a transversal, this angle, okay, look in the figure, this angle here, and that is TPR, and this angle here. What are they? Oh, I'm sorry, not this one. I did a wrong one. This one. PRS. TPR and PRS.
Alternate interior
Yes.
angles.
Yes, correct. So TPR will be equal to angle PRS. Okay, and here I'll write, name it as equation 2, and the reason is alternate angles or alternate interior angles. Now, in the question, it is said PT is the angle bisector. Okay, PT is the angle bisector. Is this clear? PT is an angle bisector. Since PT is an angle bisector, this angle, that is QPT, and this angle, that is TPR, both of them are equal.
PTR or PTR, sir?
QPT and TPR.
Oh, okay.
QPT and TPR. Can you see it in the diagram? Both of them are equal. Fine. This name it as equation number 3. Now look at equation 1, 2, and 3. From 1, 2, and 3, QPT, so see this QPT and TPR, these two are equal. Okay, this is from equation 3 we are getting, they are equal. So if the left hand sides are equal, right hand sides will also be equal. So you can say PSR will be equal to angle PRS. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll just take the diagram. Look at these two angles, PSR, this one, and PRS, that is this one. We got these two angles to be equal. Now, we know if two angles are equal, then sides opposite to them are also equal.
Equal.
So which is the side opposite to PSR?
PSR, PR.
And which is the side opposite to PRS?
PS.
PS. So both of them are equal. You can write the reason here. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. And that's it. This is only what you had to prove. PS equal to PR. Go through the proof of this. Understand it. If you didn't understand any step, ask me. Once you are done, write it down.
Done, sir.
Okay, so in this one, AD is perpendicular to BC. Segment AE is a bisector of CAB. That means it's an angle bisector. So since that means this angle and this angle will be equal to each other. You have to prove that angle DAE, DAE means this one. Okay, this one. You have to prove that this is half of angle C minus angle B. Okay. Is the question clear? What is given and what you have to do?
Yes, sir.
Now look into triangle ABC. Look into the bigger one, okay, ABC. In this triangle, they have said AE is the angle bisector of angle CAB. Since AE is the angle bisector, that will say that angle BAE will be congruent or equal to angle CAE. Yes or no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, I'll number this as equation 1. After that, in triangle ADB, okay, in triangle ADB, look into ADB in the diagram. In triangle ADB, angle ADB plus angle DAB, okay, ADB is this one, DAB is this one, plus angle ADD. This will be equal to what? Okay, this I can just name it as
180 degrees.
Yes. I'll just name this as B because it is common. Nah? There is no difference in that. So this will be equal to 180 degree. And here I'll write angle sum property. Angle ADB we know. How much is ADB? Looking at the diagram, can you tell me? Look at the diagram and tell me how much is ADB.
Sorry, sir. What do you mean? ADB?
What is a measure of
180
AD?
degrees.
No, ADB. Look at ADB into the diagram.
90 degrees.
90 degree. So this I'll substitute 90 degree. And DAB, I'll keep it here as it is. Plus B, angle B is equal to 180 degree. So you take this plus 90 on the other side. If you take it, it will become angle DAB plus angle B equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90. So keep angle B this side and take DAB on the other side. So it will become 90 degree minus angle DAB. So this I got angle B. Number it as equation 2. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we still need the diagram again. So from the diagram, look into triangle ADC. Okay, ADC is this one.
One second.
Yeah. Okay. Look into triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, angle ADC, that is this one, plus angle DAC, that is this one, plus angle C. Okay, angle C is like common, so we'll take this, just C all right, equal to 180 degrees, same thing. Angle sum property. Now, from the diagram, can you tell me how much will be angle ADC?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So 90, TAC keep it as it is, plus angle C equal to 180. Again, you take 90 on the other side. So you'll have DAC plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 90. So this 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. And this plus angle DAC take on other side become minus angle DAC.
Yes.
So this number it as equation 3. Now what you do, subtract 2 from 3. Subtract 2 from 3. Now why we are doing this subtraction? Because you see what you have to prove. C minus B, na? Angle C minus B we need. So that's why I'm doing that way subtraction. So this would become angle C minus angle B. So when you're doing the subtraction, subtract left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. So this would be 90 degree minus angle DAC minus 90 degree minus angle DAB. Open up the bracket here. So this is 90 degree minus angle DAC minus 90 degree plus angle DAB. Have I done some mistake somewhere? No, not correct. So 90 and minus 90 cancel, and you are left with minus DAC plus angle DAB.
Hello.
Is the subtraction correct? Can you just check the subtraction? I think my subtraction I have mistaken somewhere.
कुछ इशू है इसके सॉफ्टवेयर का थोड़ा टाइम देना मुझे वैसे भी एससीआर और वेल्स को अभी तक मेरा हुआ ही नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हाँ तुम्हारा ईमेल का मुझे याद है जस्ट गिव मी सम टाइम एक बार ये एससीआर और वेल्स का हो सकता है ना I'll get
I
back
think
to
it's
you.
right, sir.
चलो
हाँ ना, it's right. DAC. Okay, fine. We'll continue it like this. Okay? So this will be angle DAB minus angle DAC. Okay. Now we'll take the diagram below. If you look at DAP, now DAP is formed by these two angles, DAE plus EAC. Okay, so this I'll write it as DAE plus EAC. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
And now look at, oh wait, I think I did a mistake. DAB. DAB is this one. So this I'll write it as it is. Here I will write it as DAE plus EAC. Now it's correct. Check. See if you have understood.
Without keeping it over here, keep it inside and out. This place over for it.
Yeah, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So open up the bracket, DAB minus angle DAE minus angle EAC. Okay, one more thing. Angle DAE, look at DAE. That is this one. You can write it as
It's not really.
angle BAE
Don't go. Huh? Don't go away.
minus angle DAE. Do you understand this? This entire angle minus this angle will give you this one. That is DAB.
Yes, I understand.
Remaining, I'll write it as it is. Now, this BAE and EAC are equal to each other. So you can just substitute and cancel it from 1. If you come back to your equation 1, BAE and CAE are equal. So we can just substitute and we can cancel it. So you are left with minus 2 times angle DAE. I'm getting angle C minus angle B is equal to minus 2 times DAE. Okay, I shouldn't have got this minus sign. I'm getting angle, if I take minus 2 on the other side, it will go into the division. So it becomes minus 1 upon 2 angle C minus angle B. Okay. So I think there is something mistaken in the question. This has to be minus. Because here it is not minus, no? Okay, write it up to here. I will check if it has to be minus or plus. Understand it, go through the sum, understand it. According to me, it is correct.
Please do. Please do.
Right up to here, then I'll scroll.
Just go down.
Is that okay?
तो सबमिट आ जाएगा. Yeah. So scroll down.
Yeah, I know in this question, this is plus, huh? But we have got minus. But I think as per our calculation, it is correct. But still, I'll get it checked.
Done, sir.
So we'll stop here. We'll stop here. You practice this chapter, entire chapter, very, very important, triangles. To Thursday, we will start with the new chapter in algebra. Okay, we'll start a new chapter. I think it's ratio and proportion, I think. So we'll start that. Okay, so see you on Wednesday. See you on Thursday. Thursday, what time?
Is it 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock. Okay.